Finally, my package is arrived. Guys, I'm so excited. Yeah, packaging look really good. There is my billing certificate. I guess this is the certificate for this. Let's open. In the tie with this thing. My plumeria. I waited longer. Actually, I was thinking like it come little earlier than this, and we went to grab it. Just 1 second, I will untie. I untied is not. Then let's see. Okay. Okay, I will cut. Can you see? Pictures. This is and that's and this is, I think the glue is too much. Nothing is there. All pictures there. Just 1 second. Oh, so this is Thai orange. You can see it's really tall, like more than 12 inches, 14 inches I can say. This one is Jane Morang, and this one is Singapore pink. This stem has little really smaller, so this slowly grows. Let's rehydrate them first. Okay, they look healthy. This one little shrink look like to me, but I'm not sure. It's still good. It has 3 point. And these are my plumeria seeds.